In this video we are going to see the app called grocery shopping, and this is the project workflow of that app. In this, the user can create the store with the steps of indicating the name and location. After that, they can manage the stores by some steps. After that, they want to create the shopping list and manage that shopping list. Through that, they can import and export that list. This is the glossary shopping app. So in this, the user can create. So the user can create with indicating the name and location. So I want to give the store name as store and location. After that, save. So my store is saved. After that, they want to manage the store. So in managing the store, they have manage and add store items, delete store, rename the store, and change store location. So I'm going to manage. So manage and add store items. So I'm going to add new item. In this I'm adding cake. So cake is a category under bakery. After that I'm saving the item. So after adding a new item, we can remove that item or we can delete, store, rename, etc. So in this manage store, we can delete store. Are you sure? We can delete the store or we can rename the store by giving a different name or another name. We can rename that store. After that, we can change the store location by entering it here. So after managing the store, creating a shopping list. So in this shopping list, we can add a new item, remove the item, and select and save the list. Now I'm going to create a shopping list. So here I have some list of items. Here we can add that item, or even we can enter the new item. So I am adding a new item. Now my item is added. So now I am going to select the items. So select and save the items. Now my items has been saved. After that, I want to select the store to manage the items. So I'm selecting the items and manage items. So now I can export these items to different stores or import the items to different stores, and through this I can send the list email. After that I can sort this list. After that we have managing shopping list. So here we have select store, create store, add list to store, manage items, and delete items, and delete list. So I'm creating another store. As star and location is at Chennai. Save. Now I'm adding the items, sarees, So I'm going to manage the store. So selecting the store, add to list and import, export, send, sort the list. I'm creating another store. Saving the store. Now I'm managing the store. Now creating shopping list. Now I'm adding the list to that store. After that we can import by selecting the stores, or export by selecting the source, or send the list to that store, or sort that list. After that we can delete. If we want to delete, we can delete that list. So now the list is deleted. So in this video we have several cases of steps and scenarios. Here we have a creating store. So by giving the name and store location, we can create the store. After that, manage the store. So by this case of store location, we can find the saree is located at garment. So by this we can find the item. After that, in managing the store, we have add store, delete store, rename store, and change the location. And in creating a shopping list, we have add new item, remove item, select, and save list. So in creating shopping list, we have add item, remove the item, and select item. So then we have manage shopping list. So managing shopping list, the selected items were shown here. In this we have create store, add list to store, and manage item, delete list, delete item. Then we have export list and import list. In this import and export process, we can import the list to that another store, or export the list to the another store, or we can sort that list. After that we can delete that list.